Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious steak and broccoli stir-fried noodles recipe. This is so much better than takeout. It's so easy to make and very tasty. Let's get started. We're using 1 to 2 pounds of flank steak for this recipe. Start by cutting the flank steak into thin strips, just like that. Transfer the cut up steak into a mixing bowl. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic to the meat, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, half teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, cover up the bowl, then set the meat aside to marinate for at least 15 minutes. Next, heat up some oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil gets very hot, toss in the marinated flank steak. Arrange the steak into a single layer, then allow it to cook on one side for 2 minutes. Then you're going to mix it in and let it cook for an extra 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add a little heat to the meat, so add a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Next, we're going to add some steamed broccoli. I'm adding about 6 ounces of baby broccoli, and make sure the broccoli is steamed to your liking. We're also going to add 8 ounces of already cooked pasta. I'm using lo mein noodles, but you can use your favorite pasta. You can use spaghetti or fettuccine. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, then season with a little bit of salt and black pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together, then allow this to cook on high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure you're mixing continuously while this is cooking. Try not to overcook this, otherwise the noodles will become very soggy. Once everything is mixed in and cooked, that is it, you guys. We are all done. Look at all that meaty deliciousness. This will have your home smelling so good. This is so much better and cheaper than any good takeout you'll ever buy, and it's super easy to make. The meat came out very tender and juicy, paired with the noodles and broccoli. Everything came out very delicious. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.